Hey everybody, Anthony here, SpecialtyMotorCars.net. I got another gem to bring you this week, folks. A beautiful 1993 Cadillac Fleetwood. Now you may have seen the video a couple weeks ago of me purchasing this car. I've been driving it very little since, but I have put probably about 100 or so miles, maybe 150 miles on this car. And this car, if you don't know me that well, you wouldn't know that white with a cranberry colored top is my absolute favorite color combination. I just think it's absolutely beautiful. The two colors, and then with a burgundy interior. Since I got this car, I've been like beating my head against the wall saying, oh my goodness, this thing is just such a nice car. I know I sound like a broken record stressing this, but this is probably the nicest 93 to 96 Fleetwood I've ever put my hands on. A few telltale signs of that I'm going to point out in the video and show you, how I come to that conclusion. But this 43,000 mile car is an absolute survivor. One owner car, finished in a beautiful Cotillion white. It's got the cranberry roadster top or soft top. People have different terms for it. Beautiful burgundy leather interior. As you can see in the video, I did put the factory chrome wheels on this car, and I really think the wheels tied this car together and really just, bring it to the next level. But everything is on point with this car. All the chrome and the bright work is beautiful. The gold emblems are beautiful. It's got a really unique pinstripe going down the side here. The marker lights on the top of the fender. You can see those beautiful chrome wheels. Yeah, I am wearing shorts. There I am. There is I. But this car is just an absolute diamond. And there's been a few brief times where I said to myself, oh my gosh, I don't have a 93 to 96 Fleetwood. If I'm going to keep one, this is going to be the car. My favorite combination, and it's just absolutely perfect. One of the ways you can tell how cherished and how baby this car is these chrome spears. Now, what some people don't know is these are plastic coated in a chrome foil. And what is very common with these is they start to wrinkle. What happens is the sun shrinks the plastic and it causes that to wrinkle. These pieces that follow down along the side, these are actually stainless on the doors, but then it's the plastic chrome on the back here. All four sides are known to wrinkle. They do sell aftermarket, like stainless steel replica versions. I've put them on a few cars for customers. But this car has the original plastic ones, and they're absolutely perfect on all four sides. Not even a blip of a wrinkle on any of them. Which tells me how garage this car was, how pampered of a life this car led, because it just really never saw the light of day. Beautiful glass, the windshield. The cloth top is in absolutely phenomenal shape. Beautiful burgundy. It's got the tie band on the back here. Really nice shape. The gold emblems. All the chrome trim and the snaps to mimic the convertible top look. All the stitching around the back window is beautiful. This car, if you're looking for a 93 to 96 Fleetwood, this is the one. This is the nicest one I've had, both aesthetically, looks-wise, condition-wise, but then just the way it drives. I've had a lot of nice low mileage ones. I've never had one drive out as nice as this car does. All the chrome is on the bottom is absolutely perfect. Taillight extension on this side is gorgeous. Again, that pinstripe, it's like a tri-tone. Well, it's actually a two-tone. Burgundy with a gold and then a burgundy. And I just love how it comes down and wraps around itself. I've never seen pinstripe like that before. There's that beautiful chrome wheel. Put brand new Hankook Optimo tires on it. All the chrome on the bottom of this car. Absolutely perfect. The rub strips are perfect. These usually start to fade. Really, there's no fade, no weather wear and tear. Another common spot on these cars is for these plastic coatings to wear off. All on the top here, absolutely perfect as well. Now again, there's that top, beautiful cranberry colored cloth top in absolutely phenomenal shape. The mirrors don't have any dings or scratches. This is the one. Car is running right now. It idles absolutely beautifully. It drives down the road like glass. Beautiful chrome wheels. I really think these wheels made a big difference. If you want to look back to see what it looked like when I got it, go back just a couple weeks and you'll see the video of me picking this car up and pulling it out of the original owner's garage. All the stainless on the front bumper, nice and straight. Usually these get all twisted up and dinged up, you know, from bumping into things. The lenses are absolutely perfect, nice and clear. Again, that beautiful stainless strip. You got the telltale sign there for the headlight monitors. Paint on the car is absolutely beautiful. Normally this is when I start walking around and like showing people deficiencies and defects with this car. It really doesn't have any. Very minor wear of gold on the emblems. You know, a few other minor things I want to point out, but so far nothing. Beautiful chrome on the grille. I do know there was a little chip. I did notice that right there that was touched up. Look at that beautiful chrome bumper. This light is in beautiful shape, nice and clear. I hope anybody who's watching this video right now and is looking for a 93 to 96 Fleetwood is seriously contemplating picking up their phone. Because this one is just, it's definitely one of the nicest ones. Another common thing with these cars is these inner fender trims. These are plastic here. Just the slightest abrasion of that deflector, the wind deflector down here, against a curb or something, always cracks these up. Both sides, absolutely beautiful. No rust in the fender liner. I didn't even put any dressing on it. Usually I dress the inner fender wells, but they're so clean I didn't want to do that. The wheels, beautiful. The wheels do show a few little pockets of corrosion inside the little coves. But these wheels, this one's not too bad. These wheels came out of North Carolina, so they're pretty clean alloy wheel. Take a look down this side. Chrome is beautiful. Beautiful Fleetwood emblems. Really nice. Again, the mirror, there's not even scuffs on the mirror. I always show you scuffs on mirrors. No scuffs on the mirrors. All the door handles are really nice. This car is just out of this world clean. Beautiful chrome wheel there. The only one defect that I found on the body of this car, and I don't know if you can even see it really, might be able to see it, yeah, a little bit of spider cracking going on there. On the white car, it's kind of hard to see. You can see it right up on the top there. That's really the only defect on the outside of this car. Normally it'd be something I'd maybe choose to paint. I don't know. It really doesn't stick out that well. You know, you kind of got to be looking for it. But where the car is all original, hasn't been touched, I really didn't want to do that. The chrome in here, these usually start to pit. The taillights, look at how shiny the taillights are. Taillights and the reverse lights on these cars always start to get cloudy. The reverse lights cloud up and turn yellow like your headlights do. Absolutely perfect there. Both sides nice and crystal clear. Gold emblems. Colonial in Danvers was the selling dealer, now out of business. It's got the gold trunk swivel. A little bit of wear up on the top there. This emblem's in really nice shape. Beautiful gold. Just a really nice car all the way around. I'm going to take you on the inside of this 93 Fleetwood, show the inside, and we're going to take her for a spin back to the shop. Let's take a look inside this beautiful red leathered Fleetwood. The inside of the door jamb's absolutely perfect. Leather interior. This car smells like a new car. You can see it through the camera how crisp and just beautiful this leather is. The steering wheel is absolutely beautiful. Dash pad, everything inside this car is absolutely perfect. Carpeting is all freshly shampooed. All the door sills, really nice shape. No rust or corrosion in there. All the switches, knobs, door locks. This car is just absolutely incredible shape. I really, truly enjoy driving this Fleetwood around. But all good things must come to an end, right? The one thing that I did promise the lady I bought this car from, this was her husband's beloved toy. He absolutely adored this Cadillac, is that whoever buys this car has to cherish it like he did. I hate to get picky, but if you're looking for a car to daily drive, this car is not for you, because this car is just that nice. Inside the ashtray is brand new, absolutely brand new condition. Like I said, the carpeting, the leather seats, you know, I really like the pleating in the seats. Everything is just on point with this car. A little bit of sun coming out and gonna bug me, but we'll get through this. Inside the jams, absolutely perfect. Just a really nice car. In that beautiful leather. All the sail panel, the rear shelf. It's got the Cadillac crest right in the center there. Center armrest folds out. Carpet, again, I didn't even have to shampoo these carpets. I just had to run my machine over it to make the lines. That's how nice the interior of this car was. See the beautiful dashboard. I think on this side, same thing over here. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. Still has the little cigarette lighters. All the wood trimming is perfect. The interior of this car is a 10. Look inside the jam here. Super clean. Super clean. Power window switches. All the switches and the bezels and plates are perfect shape. Dash pad. So usually these dash pads, they start to crack when they're left out in the sun around here and around the vent. Absolutely perfect. Really still soft and pliable. Not even any fade. They usually start fading on the edges here. None of that. All the wood across is beautiful. Carpeting, again, absolutely perfect. Door sill and the threshold, perfect. That beautiful burgundy leather, again, soft as soft can be. If you could smell leather through the phone or through my camera, this car, you'd be able to smell it in. The headliner is mint. We'll get in the driver's seat and I'll show you some details. All right, we're inside the Fleetwood. I just want to show you some of the books and paperwork I have. I even have the original calculator, and the calculator still works. Notepad, owner's manual. I think this is like a build sheet or something. Came with the car underneath the seat there. That goes right inside the glove box. Pop that trunk. I do have 2 keys and 2 remotes. We'll start this old girl up. Runs absolutely beautiful. Pop that hood. Show you under the hood and inside the trunk. We'll take it for a spin. I have all the floor mats of this car, beautiful burgundy original floor mats, and then I have 4 extra floor mats that were on top of the floor mats. It does have the locking trunk mechanism here, or not trunk, but the fuel door. That locks that little pin right there. Full-size spare. Never touched the ground. Brand new alloy wheel, brand new Michelin. All the trunk carpeting is in really nice shape. Really a clean car. All inside the trunk jam is the service part decal. Trunk pull down works perfectly. We'll pop that hood real quick, and then we're going to take this girl for a spin. This car is an absolute pleasure to drive. Now, a lot of people don't know, but the little releases just to the right side, you're staring at it, of the grill. Beautiful engine compartment. I'm sorry the sun's behind me, but you can see all the trim, absolutely clean, no rust or rust spotting. Try to get out of the shadow there. 5.7 liter V8. All the compartments and jugs are in really nice shape. These are very common for rust on the wheel wells. They got metal wheel wells in the front here. Again, perfect, no rust anyway. You'd almost think this car is so clean, you'd almost think this car was like a Florida car. It's that immaculate under the hood. Even the air cleaner, look at that. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Under hood light works. 5.7 liter V8. Close that hood down. We're going to take this girl for a spin. Oh man, absolute joy to drive. All right. I'm going to set the air in this thing because it is a little... How do I do this? Low fan. Radio works. I don't know if you can see it in the back there. Power antenna. Works perfectly. Mileage is 43,208. I think when I got this, let me lower that down. It had just clicked 43,000 just before I bought it. Twilight Sentinel, the headlight switches, all the windows. This one over here. It even has the garage door opener in the center here. Sunglasses holder with, I believe it's still up in there. Sunglasses, the original owner. Yeah, this car is a joy to drive. My name's Anthony. I appreciate anybody for tuning in for the first time, and I appreciate all my long subscribers. I'm working my hardest here to keep bringing this beautiful, low mileage, mom and pop cars, this inventory back up to woo baby, just caught that one. Bring it back to you know, be for sale and offer these cars like I always do. Clean, low mileage, well kept. This car is one of the top cars that I can remember. It's just as far as how well the previous owner loved this car. And that's why I promised the woman who I bought this car from, I absolutely have to find this car another loving home that's going to take care of it just as well as her husband did before he passed away. My name is Anthony again, 978-930-1004. If you have any questions, this car is for sale, 978-930-1004. You can check me out on my website, specialtymotorcars.net. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Instagram and Facebook. I don't do Twitter. Price of this car is going to be $15,995. If this is something that you've been dreaming of, don't let distance stop you from getting a dream car like this in your driveway, because I can absolutely handle that. I can get this car transported open or enclosed right to your front door. That's not a problem. I handle that all in-house. Basically, one call, we'll do it all, and I can take care of all that stuff for you. I appreciate, again, everybody for tuning in and watching. I feel that this car is going to make the next owner really, really happy as far as an investment quality Cadillac with just 43,000 original miles on the car. It's going to be a car that you'll enjoy for quite a long time. Keep an eye out on the channel though. Papa Bear and I, we might be making a little trip soon. So I might have a video coming up for that. Again, thanks everybody for watching. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll talk to you on the next one.